Hello kids, today we'll learn I sound words. When the three letters I-G-H come together, it makes the sound I. Hi, H-I-G-H, hi. Tie, T-H-I-G-H, tie. Light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Flight, F-L-I-G-H-T, flight. Tight, T-I-G-H-T, tight. Fight, F-I-G-H-T, fight. Fright, F-R-I-G-H-T, fright. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Sigh, S-I-G-H, sigh. Sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight. Right, R-I-G-H-T, right.